Hey guys, today I want to show you a cool option for your bathroom renovation. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So you're planning your new bathroom and you're wondering about your mirrors. Well, I got a cool thing to show you here that I think you should consider. Very practical and looks pretty slick too. So these are backlit. So you can see it adds a nice backlit feature around the mirror itself, but also creates a nice ambient light in the bathroom too. So you don't necessarily need to have a ton of above, like pot lighting, for example. Here we do have vanity lights above to help with task lighting, but the backlit mirror is great, give a nice touch. These particular mirrors too are nice because they have a defog option. So if your mirrors are fogging up after a shower or a bath, you just hit defog and boom, you can see yourself again, and on you go with whatever it is you need to do in the mirror. So something cool to consider. Lots of cool products out there now. So do your homework. If you have any questions for us, please do reach out. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Have a great one.